Hi, I'm gonna demo how to work within Figma, Claude, and Figma Make to make responsive design pages in a simple way without having to do any plugins or connections and getting highly functional mobile designs for responsive design. So we start on Figma, and these are designs that I previously made for Seismic Exchange. And the team has asked me to include now a section for agents here. And I thought that maybe let's use Claude and Figma Make to give me some options. So what I'm doing first is I'm copying this landing page, the object itself, the frame, and I'm gonna paste it into Claude. So I'm gonna open Claude next. I already did all this, so for the sake of time. So what I did is I pasted the design here from Figma and I gave it a prompt also saying to connect to the Mantle UI design system in Claude and give me a couple of options for this design. So first they connected to the Mantle UI with the navigation banners, buttons, links, and all that, following those requirements. So that way we're working with patterns that we're already using. Then I ask it to give me, let's build two polish variations of the Seismic Exchange layout using the fonts and using a dark purple and adding a new agentic services section and introduce it to distinct layout approaches. So it went with two variations. This one, the first one right here, you can see it's close to what I had originally in Figma created, and this is actually live in Seismic Exchange. So what it did is created similar layout, but added a new section here, very distinctive for the agentic services, with examples of what that could be. So this is example number one, gave it encode in HTML and CSS, and second version right here with another option for a layout for that agentic services insert. So I did like the first one a little bit better, since for the color and the simplicity of the layout. And what I did next, and as you can see, it gives me the code or the visual for that layout. And what I'm doing next is I'm copying the HTML and going next to Figma Make. What I did is I copied this in here completely and it gave me the layout. And then what I did too is add a prompt to make this fully responsive, following the best practices for responsive design. For that, I'm following what I have here, the new section in the Mantle design system for responsive guidelines. The main attributes for that, following fluid grids, flexible images and media queries, and also the breakpoints that we promote, that we want to follow for responsive design for the different screen sizes. And then all these different prompts I added into the prompt, so that way it follows very strict and accurate guidance. So back to in here, you can see it in here in Figma Make. I copied that mobile first approach prompt first, analyze and provide desktop designs and produce a complete response implementation that works beautifully across all screen sizes, starting from mobile and scaling up. And it follows mobile first approach, breakpoint system, the ones that we have for the different screen sizes that we recommend here at Seismic, layout and CS rules, navigation for mobile and desktop, and primary action CTAs and links, how to treat data and tables, component patterns, making sure that they use the best setup for performance, and last but not least, following the best accessibility guides. And the deliverable that we want is an HTML, CSS, fully in functional mobile first thing. So I put that prompt, it completed the components, it did all the accessible features, the patterns, the performance, and it gave me this version right here. And if we look at the different breakpoints, if I go to development tools, this is, you can see here how it looks on a phone. Actually, let me go back to the main view, and I'm gonna demo this just by dragging from the side of the browser. You can see how the responsive design, it's fluid, and as I make it, move it to the left and make it skinnier, it's moving its pieces on a responsive manner, following that guidance and stacking the elements on top of each other, following those best practices. So this is great. And what I did next, which is to fully complete the cycle and the design loop, I went to the top here in Figma Make, and I copied the design because it's not perfect, and I want to change icons and make some variations on the backgrounds and also some of the elements that can be improved. So I copied the design right here, and I went back to my Figma file, and I pasted the designs right here, the two variations, and you can see that it breaks it into all the components. And in here now I can go and tweak and change all the elements. So what I think is powerful, because you can start in Figma or you can start in Claude. You can use Figma Make to prompt and finesse the HTML and all the different mobile responsive attributes that we want to follow and guidance. And you can move back again into Figma to make the finessing and making it perfect. So I think that this demo and this process can help all the designers that have responsive design questions. You can use these and prompt in Figma Make so you can get at least some variations and best practices and some options for your responsive design decisions.